Today's Drinks on Me series recipe is the strawberry milk. It is very easy, very simple, and no blender required. For our ingredients, you will need strawberries quartered. So this is our washed sugar. You can also use brown sugar, even muscovado. 1 cup of fresh milk, chilled. Sprinkle enough sugar over your strawberries. Mix until your sugar melts. Set this aside for 30 minutes. Enough time to liquefy your sugar. See how liquefied our sugar is? We will now portion this into our glasses. Then we pour our fresh milk. Now we have this Korean refreshing drink. You can also bottle this for later consumption. Like and subscribe.